Congratulations to us. So
yes, so
finally we don't do hair. We just see come up for all back. So I will say, congratulations.
yes.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I went from this short natural hairstyle into a 10/10 knotless braid myself at home. I share tutorials on how to save more and spend less, hair tutorials, and I'm bringing back the vlogs this month. Okay, I am bringing back the vlogs. I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. And if you're new on my channel, please take a minute to watch this video. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, do all those good stuff, subscribe, and after watching this one, make sure to watch one more video. So I am basically patting my hair down. So I am pre-patting it because it was going to make my work easier. And before we go deep into this video, I feel like pre-patting is a bit underrated because this made my work so easy, like very easy. So the patting took me about 2 hours on the first day, and I realized the extension I wanted to use was not going to work for me. It was a bit slippery, so I had to go out that day to get another extension to use, and I just couldn't continue that day. But anyways, at least I had the patting done. The patting was out of the way. I'm going to leave you guys what my siblings think at the end of this video, another comment I have gotten at the end of this video. I would also want you guys to rate my braiding skills because this is the first time I am doing knotless braid on myself. My shoulder pad has doubled. Because it came out looking so nice. I wanted to make sure that I get a good center part for my hair because I don't have front hair. If you're not new, so I wanted something that will be able to let down and pack without tension. Do you guys get? Yeah, I actually had a mirror on my lap that I was using for my pattern, and I was using a braiding gel. I don't know if it's a braiding gel. I was using a gel to help me with my pattern. should definitely get Shana Jam at this point because after this I realized that I was going to make my hair myself more this year because I need to save more money. The last time I did knotless braid at the salon, I used 2 extension pack, and I also paid 7,500 naira. So I am using this lush extension in color 950. If you're using expression, it's in the color 99J. So it's like the dark purple shade if you're using any other brand of extension. But you guys know that I am a lush babe. I just love this particular brand of extension. Not to say I don't use any other brand, but I do prefer this one. So I went ahead to prep my extension. I have a full video on how to prep your extension, and this was the next day. So this is what my pattern looks like, and I had gone ahead to do the first line, like the first row, starting from the bottom, and now I'm just prepping my extension. If you don't know how to prep your extension, I have a full video. I'll link it in the description. You might want to click that after watching this one. Okay, all right. So for knotless, you want to have your extension laid out already so that it's easier for you to take when you're joining, except if you have someone who will be handing it over to you, which in my case I didn't have. So what I was doing was losing one part of my pre-part braid and start my knotless braid. You guys should just watch closely what I am doing because this skill is not an easy one. It's not an easy one, but I'm glad I was able to pull through. So I'm basically using my thumb and my index finger to collect and just to join in, and you want to keep adding your extension until you're satisfied with your size. Also, if you want a longer length, you can keep adding your extension, which was what I did because I had my extension cut into 4 because I didn't want to use more than 1 pack of extension. Do you guys get it? Exactly, I know you get it. So this is what it is looking like from the root, and I think I did a good job gripping it. If you can't see that closely, there's still more close-up tutorials as I did in between this video on the side and in the front, just so that you guys would see how I went tired doing this, right? I'm going to leave you guys to keep watching, and I'll be back. So guys, it actually took me 2 days to braid my hair because the first day I couldn't finish it because I had an appointment and I had like for the top part of my head left. So I left it, tied the scarf, went out, and I came back to finish it. So the next day I had to continue, and this is me doing the last braid, guys. I was tired. My sister kept telling me this hair is much. I was like, nah, not really. You know, the first day I was feeling the vibe. Oh, the next day like this, I was tired, but I am not going to be going around with half-made hair, you know. So I had to finish it, and guys, just look at that. Tell me what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't think I am going to go to the salon except it is necessary, except it's a big function, because look at that. I got to save money, and if I would calculate the amount of time I spent making this hair, I would say it took me about 12 hours, plus or minus 12 hours. Yes, because the first day 2 hours to prepare, the next day I did like 6 hours, then the next day I started around 9 o'clock and I finished around 12 o'clock. So that's it. So that is basically me just finishing it and, you know, showing off my braiding skills. Let me know in the comment section if you find this helpful, if you would, what like you guys should suggest to me. I definitely would take this hairstyle for like maybe a month, like to the end of April. Hopefully I did this end of March. You guys are going to see it first week of April, so I should carry it for like 1 month, like 1 month maximum. You guys suggest to me what hairstyle you would want me to see in the next, like what protective hairstyle you guys would want me to make after this particular one. Like I was so over this entire process at this point. I was so tired, very very tired, but thank God we made it, we pulled through. So I just had to go in with my scissors now and trim the excess hair off it so that it looks neat, and you know, it's so that it gives, you know, so that it looks neat, it looks silk, and the body doesn't look rough. Definitely there were a lot of like hair excess on the body because I'm not 100% a professional, but I would say that by the time I do this again, it is over. By the time I do this again, I'll definitely be more perfect. No, not more perfect, I'll definitely be better at what I am doing. But for the first time, I am going to give myself a 7.5. My sister gave me a 6.5. My other sister thought it was a wig. Well, if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to make your own knotless wig at home, I have a tutorial. If you scroll down, you would see it, and I'll also have a link in the description box. It is the way I am looking serious trimming this hair. Like, babe, calm down, calm down for Jesus, you know. So if you want to make your own knotless wig, I'm going to have a tutorial on how to do that in the description box. It's actually super easy. And for this hair, I think I spent a total of, the extension was I think 2,300 naira, and the rest was my time. Yeah, the rest was my time. So basically that's it. So after I was done with my braiding and trimming, I went ahead to put my hair in the hot water. I had to move to the kitchen so my sister could help me look at it while I was doing that. So I went ahead to put it in hot water, and also like press the body of my braids with the hot water, in my towel, or with my towel soaked in hot water. I also went ahead to massage my scalp to like ease the tension, just like the way they do for us in the salon, you know, but it's actually to ease the tension of the pull of the braids on your scalp. Yeah, exactly. So that was basically what I was doing at this point. If you cannot do this yourself, kindly get someone to help you, please. Hot water is nobody's friend. Hot water is actually chicken's friend. But please, if you can't do this yourself, kindly get someone to do it for you so you don't get hot. I was able to do it myself, although my sister was close by to just watch me do it in case anything was going to go wrong at that point. And I'm basically just massaging my scalp with the hot water. I also went ahead to oil my scalp with my hair food, which is the TCV hair food. If you guys don't know it, if you watch any of my wash day routine, you would see that particular product, or I have a short where I spoke about it, right? And guys, I won't even lie, I was feeling myself at the end of everything. My hair looks so good, it looked really nice, and I just cut off the tip. I actually wanted to coil it, but I think maybe if I get tired, maybe after 2 weeks, I'll coil the tip and I'll show you guys the process. So I went ahead to add this mousse that I got at my local beauty store and I just went ahead to apply the mousse like to help me set my hair and give it a very silk look. I used it, I think, a bit too generously, and let me know what you guys think. Like, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I totally will do this over and over again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video coming up on Wednesday. Bye.
Because you did it yourself. 6.5.
Not bad. That's a pass mark.
Oh, I'll finish it.